Greetings, Earthlings. Miss Susan is back.
Scary skeletons go in the night.
Susan is now going to be opening the new Disney Doorables Nightmare Before Christmas Collezione Peak. And these ones are exclusive.
So there are 9 options that I can get. I can get Sally, Jack Skellington, Oogie Boogie, Zero, Dr. Finkelstein, Vampire Teddy, and a Lock and Shock and Barrel. And they all look like they glow in the dark.
Yes, they do.
And as you all know, I'm a huge fan of Nightmare Before Christmas. Although my favorite character is not in this, so I'm a little disappointed.
Who are you missing?
I miss the mayor.
Ah.
Which, by the way, have any of you watched the theory video on like how everyone died? Comment down below if you would like me to take over Rachel's channel and explain to you how every character died.
See, that's something that I want to hear. So please comment so that way Greg will actually do it.
Because I will bring out the Doorables and explain everyone. But let's open up this first.
Yes.
But
are you going to make it rain, Doorables?
there are 9. There is no exclusive character with this, and I have
Thank God.
9 bags. Oh, thank the Lord.
We never get the exclusive ones.
I think one time we got
No, we didn't even get it one time.
No, I ordered that one.
Oh, you ordered that one. That's right.
Because I had to, because it's one of my favorite movies. Anywho, 9 bags, 9 doors.
Yeet. So let's
start.
Pick one and guess.
Number 6. Please hold. I'm not as slow as lady.
2 seconds later.
I believe it is Oogie Boogie.
Were you right?
And I'm the Oogie Boogie man.
Ooh, I love how green he is.
By the way, a fun fact, because I know a lot about this movie. Did you know I believe the original actually starred as Old Deuteronomy in Cats?
Really?
Just so Rachel knows, because that's one of her favorite musicals.
I love Cats, except the 2019 version of it.
Some parts of it were okay.
Some.
But
only one part was like, okay.
And look at how cool he is. So he does glow in the dark. He is glow in the dark.
Focusing on your face. Hold on. Okay.
Did that work?
Yes.
So there we go. So we have Oogie Boogie is my first one, and I'm ready for my next one.
All right.
Please hold.
Oogie Boogie is under our UV light to make him glow.
Anhu, I am ready to guess, and I believe it is Barrel.
Okay. Are you right?
Are you shocked? I am talented, among other things. So this is Barrel.
And very confident.
He is giving me very much the Joker from Batman in this purple and green scheme, but let us put him under the UV light so we can get some light ups here.
Yes.
Please hold.
All right, who do you think you have?
I believe it is Vampire Teddy is the name. Oh, and
Oh, he's cute.
He is beautiful. He is purple, but he is supposed to be black, so I'm guessing the glow in the dark is going to be there. So, guess where we put him?
We're going to put him under the UV light, and eventually we're going to turn this on, and then make them all glow.
All of them.
Yes.
On to the next.
All right, who do you have in this one?
Everyone's favorite witch, or everyone's favorite person who was done of spellcraft, which is Sally. Fun fact, if you think about, because she's a rag doll and everything, and that all of her limbs are pulled apart, she could have been, her death could have been that she was dragged by 4 horses due to being a witch. And am I correct? No!
You are very wrong.
Okay, I didn't feel the head. This is Dr. Finkelstein, which is the creator of Sally in a sense, but more importantly, he has his brain being shown, and he is blue. He is definitely ready to be glown in the dark. Okay, yes. I get one wrong. That's fine.
And I like how these are characters that are like at a rave.
Oh, I love the way they
I love the rave.
On to the next!
All right, who is it?
I'm hoping to redeem myself with Jack Skellington. Oh, and I am back. And this is the Jack Skellington for when he terrorizes the 3 children, Lock, Shock, and Barrel, which is such a funny scene. But I also love Jack. Fun fact, if you watch the beginning, you can tell that Jack was burned at the stake because the Pumpkin King has to become Jack Skellington when he rises up.
Very nice. Picking another one?
Of course.
All right, who do you think that one is?
I think this is Shock. Ooh!
You're proud of yourself, aren't you?
I'm talented. More importantly, it's the hair. I love this. Please also go to my channel to see the Nightmare Before Christmas Lego set of this revealed with a few little tricks and treats, if you will. But more importantly, Shock looks awesome. I like this because we've gotten these molds before, but they're glow in the dark, so I under you go.
Under the light. We're going to light them all up at the end.
I have 3 left and 3 missing.
You've got 0 missing, Sally, and Locke.
Ain't gonna lie, I'm missing an entire row. Oh, wait a minute. I don't even think you need a poll.
Okay.
I think this is Sally.
It's Sally!
I can tell by her hair. Also, I must say, I've gotten very, very good because we have opened so many of these. So now, under the light, and I have 2 left. Who do you think our last one's gonna be? Comment below.
Is it going to be Locke or is it going to be 0? Let us know in the comments. Greg's enjoying the light. Very much enjoying the light. Also, they do look really cool under the light. We'll show you in a minute. All right, who's in one hand and who's in the other?
I think this is 0. I think this is Locke.
All right. So that would be Locke. Were you wrong? You were backwards.
It was backwards. That was on me.
That is Locke.
This is Locke, and I love his mask, and I love what this looks like. It is going to look incredible under the light. But more importantly, I have my favorite little guy with his favorite little
little
dog
ghost
house.
puppy.
And this is the little 0. So give us a minute. We need to charge these under the UV light.
And then we'll show you.
And here we go. So this will charge them for 1 minute, and I think that that will do the job.
I'm so excited.
Turn off all the lights, and let's see if this does what we need it to do. Look at how amazing. It lights them up fully, so I feel like we can actually give you a full, great review of this set.
And
Doorables,
it's still light out. That's how good the UV light is.
Doorables, outstanding job on this series. Again, though, I would like to have a word with you. My mayor is not included, and, like, I like the vampire teddy, but, like,
You want your mayor?
I want my mayor who has 2 faces because, again, talented. But more importantly, what do you all think of this set? Do you like seeing it lit up? Do you like seeing our new format? What do you think?
Do you like our UV light?
And do you like Susan Takes Over?
Oh my gosh. Okay, the confidence. The confidence.
I want more views than her last 2 videos when this gets posted.
And all I have to say is I'm rolling my eyes behind camera.
They are rolling so far back in her head. But let me know. But more importantly, who is your favorite Nightmare Before Christmas character?
Let us know in the comments.
Mine's not here.
Yes, we know. Right. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.